can run round on 7 and 8 because they you can drag all them in and get around. You have to just check the lengths, that's all.
Well, we'll check it now.
Yeah, should we go for a wander down?
Well, we'll have to be at the rear end anyway.
You're not allowed to walk towards moving trains, mind, so you're not allowed, as long as you walk parallel.
Yeah.
I'll leave them two at that end and I'll... You've got a radio now? Oh, well, I'll jump on the driver's radio. Second run round then, we're in half an hour earlier and all, aren't we?
Yeah. It's a lot safer running round.
Yeah, well, we've just got to put that in the method of work with Malcolm and yourself, don't you? Yeah. Okay.
We would prefer to run round, honest. I hate pushing down here.
Who came with the idea of propelled?
It was Malcolm when I talked to him.
Because that's the way they've always done it, because the other trains were too long to run round. So as long as the train's short enough to run round, you can run round. But have a word with Mal, because it's his port, not mine.
Yeah, no, that's fair.
Well, that's it, everything's, isn't it?
What's that like there, man? Is it pumping? Is it pumping?
A little bit of the point.
It's not bad at all, that.
Bill's just on the one they're doing there, and you tell them where to stop. By the time you detach, you'll be back at the phones. Because we'll let the traffic go.
Is he gonna push all the way on and open the crossing and pull him back out?
I don't think we'll get them all the way on, I don't think.
Right.
Doesn't matter, because when he pulls forward, let the traffic go then.
Because it'll be in 4 minutes, so it's just a long time to keep the crossing shut.